Masturbation will make you develop waist pain. It is important to note that, after a while, once you masturbate you will develop a severe pain in your waist. As you grow older every new year, you will be experiencing the negative effect. The after effect is during your old age. You will be bending while walking. That is if you will even live to a full old age, because masturbation, like alcohol or drug, has a way of reducing lifespan. Not all waist pain is caused by masturbation, but most of the waist pain is caused and is sustained by masturbation, added to other negativities you brought into your life. If you cannot explain why you are having that waist pain, check yourself very well. Masturbation is the cause. Why do you prefer this life of pain? Please get help now by reading the book, How I Sued Masturbation. Till God brings me your way again. I am Professor Holy Rock, and am saying, remain sexually clean.